Step 3 in the setup is entering positions. This register is a very unique register because it links to so many other registers throughout the system. So let's select positions. You can add a position, enter the position name, which is the only mandatory field in this section. You put an external ID if needed. You can put a description in here with the review date and a person responsible for the review. You could also upload a document as a description if you wanted to. But these are the big features of this register. You can actually relate certain inductions to this position. This is picking up your induction register. You can relate certain qualifications needed for this position. And you can also relate what vaccinations are needed, if any are needed, and then hit submit. What that does, any employee that is then related to a position will need to have those qualifications and vaccinations inside the system here, because the system will automatically create a qualification matrix, and if they do not have that qualification inside the system, it will highlight here as yellow to say that this person has been related to this position and they do not have it inside the system. So then you would actually speak to the employee, make sure that they have got that qualification, and if they don't, well, they shouldn't be using that position because you're exposing yourself. And the same thing happens for vaccinations as well. It'll highlight yellow. So it automatically does a training needs analysis in the system. And the same process is also done for inductions. It'll highlight that this induction here is needed to be undertaken by this person because the position they have been related to needs to undertake that induction. You can also select this cog here and assign all inductions needed. It will actually highlight the inductions that you related to that position so they can actually undertake the inductions that you want them to undertake that position. So that is step 3 positions. Now select next and let the helper take you step by step through the guide.